Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you're watching this video. This is Sanket and you're watching the Techno Drift. Now, ANC or active noise cancellation is a premium feature which is available in only premium headphones. But all thanks to Realme, this feature is now also available to the budget true wireless earphones. And what caught our attention more is that these earbuds are only priced at 3300 rupees. So yes, today in this video, we'll review the newly launched Realme Buds Air 2. So sit back, relax, buckle up and enjoy the video.
Money mo, head to toe. Said you got your own style, that's just slang for you, ain't got it though. Talking like you got it, that's a problem, I might let them know. Squeeze you like I'm Elsa, so my let it go.
Should not do the unboxing here, that's too old school. Let me only tell you what you get apart from the earbuds. You do get a yellow color Type-C cable for charging and some extra earbuds to fit different ear canals. Starting off with the build quality and design, this case is basically the same as the Buds Air Pro with the same oval design and same glossy finish, which means it is prone to heavy scratches. There is no doubt that this case looks very premium, but a matte finish one would have been better according to me. The hinge of the case is also quite sturdy. While talking about the fit and comfort, these earbuds are very light and they fit in my ears just perfectly and will not fall off even when you are doing some workouts. Now the biggest USP of this TWS is the active noise cancellation. Now don't get me wrong, these earbuds are great and all the noises under 25 decibels, may it be sounds from fans or AC or car horns from distance, will all get cancelled out. Apart from this, what matters the most is the sound quality. These earbuds have 10mm hi-fi drivers and support AAC codec and not aptics. Now I was using the Soundcore TWS before, and when I switched to these earbuds really blew my mind. The sound output was on point. The volume was also great as I couldn't turn up the volume more than 60 to 70%. There is also a volume enhancer option inside the app which literally bumps up the volume. Now when it comes to sound modes, there are 3 modes basically. One is bass boost for obviously bass heavy songs, a lively mode for high treble songs, and a clear mode which is helpful for listening to podcasts. Now if you're wondering about which app I'm talking about, it's the Realme Link app that is available on both the Play Store and the App Store. Now believe me, there are tons of customization features here. In the app you also get a game mode which actually lowers the latency while playing games. It works, but it's not that perfect. There's also the in-ear detection feature which automatically pauses the playback if you take out the earbuds and resumes when you wear them again. Now below that you get the touch controls for the music playback which you can customize individually. Now I have set the controls to play or pause at double tap, triple tap for next track, and touch and hold to change the noise cancellation mode. Now those who use the earbuds inside the helmet just like me, let me tell you that there are no accidental touches and the earbuds can very well distinguish between fingers and other things. But will always advise you to not use the ANC mode while you are on road and instead use the transparency mode. When it comes to connection, I found no weird connection issues or stutters thanks to Bluetooth 5.2 and Google Fast Pair. The connection was super fast and super easy. Just keep the Bluetooth turned on and every time you open the earbuds and open your favorite music app, they would have already connected by that time. Now this is the time for work from home and I'm pretty sure that you'll use these earbuds for calls also. Now there are no customized controls for calls, but they're pretty easy. Just double tap to answer or end the call, and if you hold it for some time before answering, it will simply reject the call. You must have also been worried about the microphone quality. Let's hear what the microphone quality sounds like during a call. Hello,
Hello.
how's the Galaxy A52 project going?
It's going fine. It's coming next week. Just wait for it.
Now these earbuds are also IPX7 rated, so this should be fine for some sweat and rain. So you are all covered up. Now when it comes to battery, these earbuds come with a 30 mAh battery on each of the earbuds and a 400 mAh battery inside the charging case. Now Realme claims up to 5 hours of playback in a single charge without the charging case and with ANC off, and up to 25 hours of playback with the charging case, which is not bad at all. Now with my usage, the earbuds lasted more than 4 hours with ANC turned on. So yeah, that's a very good battery backup in my opinion. Now when it comes to charging, the case took around 2 hours to charge and the earbuds took around 1 hour to charge inside the case. Now according to me, these earbuds are the best sounding earbuds and they also are pretty good in noise cancellation at just price of 3300 rupees. Now I couldn't find out much negatives, but if I'm forced to do so, I'd only say that there is the absence of dual pairing of devices and switching between them. Now that was all for this video. We hope you liked the video, and if you did, then please hit the like button and make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon right next to it so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, please share this video with your friends who are searching for a good pair of TWS in the 3K to 4K segment. Also, if you're going to get in touch with us, then do follow us on all our social media handles. And if you have any questions regarding this device, then please comment below. We'll definitely reply. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Head to toe. Said you got your own style, that's just slang for you, ain't got it though. Talking like you got it, that's a problem, I might let them know. Freeze you like I'm Elsa, so my let it go.